Ever pondered the question, how can we make our roads safer and our journeys more secure using technology? Today, we're delving into an innovation that's transforming car safety: the Microcontroller and Sensor-Based 360-degree car safety system. Imagine a system that's always alert, scanning all around your car, detecting potential hazards before you even notice them. That's the premise of the Microcontroller and Sensor-Based 360-degree car safety system. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, or rather a full circle of them. At the heart of this system is a microcontroller, a compact, powerful device that can process multiple inputs and outputs simultaneously. It's the brain of the operation, reading data from various sensors placed on the front, rear, and sides of the car. These sensors are the system's eyes, constantly monitoring the surroundings and picking up on objects or vehicles that could pose a threat. But what happens when these sensors detect something? They don't just passively observe. No, they're integrated with the car's existing features to actively prevent accidents. By closely tying in with the car's braking system, they can initiate automatic braking or dynamically adjust the car's response to help avoid collisions. One of the more impressive features is the system's ability to deploy airbags based on the situation. If an accident does occur, the system analyzes the circumstances and decides how many airbags to deploy and where. It's not just a one-size-fits-all approach. It's tailored safety, ensuring the best possible protection for each individual in the car. But it's not all about responding to imminent threats. This system also provides haptic feedback, giving the driver a tangible sense of the car's surroundings. And if that's not enough, it offers audio-visual alerts too, making sure the driver is well aware of any potential issues. And the best part? You can customize these settings to suit your preferences. This system is more than just a collection of sensors and a microcontroller. It's a fusion of technology and safety, a manifestation of how artificial intelligence can make our roads safer. It's about proactive protection, about catching potential problems before they become real ones. It's about making every journey, every drive, a little bit safer. To summarize, the Microcontroller and Sensor-Based 360-degree car safety system is a revolutionary leap in car safety technology. It combines a network of sensors with a powerful microcontroller to monitor a car's surroundings continuously. It integrates with the car's existing systems to prevent accidents and dynamically respond to situations. It uses AI to enhance safety, providing tailored protection for each individual in the car. And it offers haptic feedback and customizable audio-visual alerts to keep the driver informed and in control. It's not just about driving, it's about driving smarter, safer, and with greater peace of mind.